Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with safety and the negative terminal. With the car off and key removed, open the hood and locate the battery. Once located, loosen the negative terminal nut with a 10 mm wrench. Always remove negative first to prevent shorts. Pull the negative clamp straight off and tuck it away so it cannot contact the battery. Then loosen the positive terminal nut and remove the red clamp. Make sure to rest clamps on insulated surfaces so they don't touch metal. Once clamps are off, inspect both battery posts and the cable clamps for corrosion or cracks. If there's white or green buildup, spread a baking soda paste and scrub the posts with a terminal brush. Rinse and dry thoroughly. Replace any frayed cables or corroded clamps. Slide the cleaned or new clamps onto the battery posts. Position correctly and tighten bolts until snug. Avoid over-torquing to prevent damage. Make sure there's firm contact and that the clamps align straight on the posts before proceeding. You reconnect by attaching the positive red clamp first. Tighten it until snug. Next, attach the negative black clamp and secure it. Once connected, wipe any residue and ensure clamps do not move on the posts. Start the engine and watch the dash for any battery or charge warnings. Make sure electronics reset normally. If you see persistent warning lights or poor cranking, recheck clamp tightness and polarity. Troubleshooting tip: if engine won't crank, verify terminals are clean and tight, and test battery voltage with a multimeter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.